We all know materials like wood, metal, and plastic, but there's a secret hero hiding everywhere: fiberglass. It's a material you might not notice, but it's quietly shaping the world around us in ways you probably never imagined. Fiberglass is in your house, your car, even your fishing rod, one of the most versatile substances ever created. From the attic above your head to the vehicles you ride in, fiberglass is woven into the fabric of modern life, providing strength and durability where you least expect it. But what exactly is fiberglass? It's what happens when you take fragile glass and transform it into something with superpowers. By spinning molten glass into incredibly fine fibers, we unlock a whole new world of possibilities. Most people think of glass as brittle, but fiberglass is strong enough for boat hulls and car bodies, a true feat of engineering. It's a material that can withstand the pounding of waves or the stress of the open road, all while staying surprisingly lightweight. It's a composite, thin, flexible glass strands embedded in plastic resin. This combination creates a synergy where the strengths of both materials come together to form something greater than the sum of its parts. The glass gives strength, the resin holds it all together, making a material that's strong, lightweight, rust-proof, and cheap to produce. That's why it's found in so many places. From construction to transportation and beyond, you've seen it as fluffy insulation in your attic, sleek speedboat hulls slicing through water, and even in the construction of high-performance vehicles. It's there in shower units that make your bathroom waterproof, and in surfboards that ride the waves with strength and flexibility. Fiberglass forms the backbone of ladders that reach new heights, and it's even hidden inside circuit boards, helping power the electronics you use every day. Today, we'll reveal what fiberglass is, how it's made, and the science behind its unique properties. We'll explore the fascinating journey from molten glass to finished product. Discover why it's one of the most important unsung materials of the modern age, quietly supporting our lives in countless ways. So let's pull back the curtain on this invisible marvel and see how fiberglass is truly everywhere, shaping the world we live in. The story of fiberglass begins with a happy accident in the 1930s, but its roots stretch back much further in history than most people realize. Thousands of years ago, ancient Egyptians and Romans experimented with glass, creating delicate threads for jewelry and decoration. These early glass fibers were beautiful but extremely fragile, serving only as ornamental pieces rather than practical materials. The real breakthrough came centuries later, when Russell Games Slater, working at Owens, Illinois Glass, attempted to weld glass blocks together. In a twist of fate, his blowtorch accidentally blasted molten glass into a shower of fine, hair-like fibers, an unexpected discovery that would change material science forever. This serendipitous event led to the first practical method for mass-producing glass fibers, making it possible to create large quantities of this new material for the first time in history. By 1938, the company had patented the name fiberglass. Its first major use was as insulation, where its ability to trap air revolutionized how homes and appliances retained heat and stayed energy efficient. Suddenly, buildings could be warmer in winter and cooler in summer, all thanks to this innovative material. The onset of World War II dramatically accelerated fiberglass development. The military urgently needed materials that were strong, lightweight, and resistant to corrosion for use in aircraft and other vehicles, qualities that fiberglass provided in abundance. When combined with resin, fiberglass became essential for manufacturing radomes, fuselages, and a variety of other critical airplane components. Its versatility and durability made it indispensable to the war effort. After the war, the techniques and technologies developed for military use quickly found their way into civilian life. Fiberglass sparked a boom in new products for transportation, construction, and everyday consumer goods, from sleek car bodies to sturdy boats and even architectural panels. Today, fiberglass is everywhere, used in everything from cars and boats to insulation and sporting equipment. What started as a failed experiment has become a material that truly changed the world, shaping the way we live, build, and travel. The journey of fiberglass is a remarkable testament to the power of accidental discovery, human ingenuity, and the endless possibilities that can arise from a single unexpected moment in a laboratory. Turning sand into a boat hull or car body is a blend of chemistry and engineering. It starts with silica sand, mixed with minerals like limestone and soda ash, then melted in a furnace at 1,400 graus Celsius. The molten glass is forced through a metal plate with tiny holes, forming filaments thinner than a human hair. These filaments cool instantly, gaining strength. A protective chemical coating is applied as they're drawn out, helping them bond with resin later. The filaments are bundled into strands, spun like yarn, and wound onto spools. This raw fiberglass thread can be woven, chopped, or shaped for countless uses. From simple sand to high-tech marvel, the process is both simple and ingenious. That's how we get the foundation for everything fiberglass. When you think of glass, you probably picture something delicate, easy to shatter with just a tap. So how can this famously fragile material transform into fiberglass, a substance known for its incredible strength and resilience? The answer lies in the science of structure and scale. Ordinary glass, especially in large sheets, is riddled with microscopic cracks called Griffith flaws. These tiny imperfections act like weak points, making the glass prone to sudden catastrophic failure when stressed. That's why a dropped glass cup shatters so easily. But when glass is drawn out into ultra-thin fibers, something remarkable happens. The process eliminates most of those flaws, and the few that remain are too small to cause real damage. The glass fibers become incredibly strong, almost unrecognizable from the brittle sheets we're used to. In fact, a single glass fiber can actually be stronger than a steel wire of the same diameter. This surprising strength comes from the purity and flawlessness of the fiber at such a small scale. When thousands of these fibers are bundled together, they share the load. If one fiber happens to break, the others pick up the slack, preventing a total failure. This teamwork between fibers is what gives fiberglass its toughness. This redundancy is key. Fiberglass mats and fabrics are engineered to be tough and reliable, able to withstand impacts and stresses that would shatter ordinary glass. The final ingredient is resin. It's not just glue. It locks the fibers in place, shields them from moisture and damage, and helps distribute stress evenly across the entire structure. This combination of fibers and resin creates a composite material that's far greater than the sum of its parts. The result? A composite that's lightweight, strong, and impact-resistant, the opposite of fragile glass. It bends instead of breaking, and can absorb shocks that would destroy ordinary glass. Fiberglass's impressive strength is a triumph of clever engineering and material science, not just the raw material itself. By changing the form and combining it with resin, we unlock new possibilities. It's a perfect example of how changing the structure of a material can completely transform its properties and uses. That's why fiberglass is trusted in demanding applications, from boats and airplanes to wind turbines, where strength, durability, and lightness are essential. So next time you see fiberglass, remember, it's glass, but engineered with superpowers. There's more than one kind of fiberglass. Each type is engineered for specific jobs. The most common is E-glass, originally made for electrical insulation. E-glass is strong, lightweight, and affordable, used in boats, cars, tanks, and construction. For higher performance, there's S-glass. S for strength. S-glass is tougher, stiffer, and heat-resistant, but more expensive, so it's used in aerospace, military armor, and high-end sports gear. Then there's C-glass, C for chemical resistance. C-glass stands up to acids and harsh environments, making it ideal for chemical tanks and industrial linings. Each type has a unique recipe, tailored for its role. This diversity is why fiberglass is found everywhere, from homes to rocket casings. Engineers choose the right type for the job, balancing strength, cost, and durability. Not all fiberglass is created equal, and that's its secret weapon. It's a family of materials, each with its own superpower. Fiberglass is everywhere in daily life, often unnoticed. Its most visible use is insulation. Those pink or yellow bats in attics and walls trap air to keep homes comfortable and energy efficient. In bathrooms, fiberglass forms seamless, waterproof shower and tub enclosures, easy to clean and install. Many exterior doors use a fiberglass skin for durability without warping or denting. Stepladders, tool handles, and outdoor furniture use fiberglass for strength, lightness, and weather resistance. In sports, fiberglass revolutionized surfboards, skis, snowboards, and fishing rods. making them lighter, stronger, and more flexible. Its adaptability means it can be soft or rigid, fitting countless needs. From construction to recreation, fiberglass quietly improves our lives. It's the chameleon of modern materials. Fiberglass is a backbone of construction and transportation. In buildings, it's used for translucent roofing, lightweight architectural features, and as reinforcement in concrete, boosting strength and reducing cracking. Fiberglass rebar is immune to rust, perfect for bridges and marine structures. In transportation, fiberglass transformed boats, making them affordable and durable. The Chevrolet Corvette's fiberglass body set a new standard for cars. Aircraft use fiberglass for interior panels and fixtures, reducing weight and improving safety. Trains and buses use it for seats and wall panels, strong, light, and easy to shape. Across industries, fiberglass delivers strength, durability, and design freedom. It's the unsung hero behind modern infrastructure and mobility. Is fiberglass safe? In finished products, like boats, ladders, or tubs, it's completely safe. The fibers are sealed in resin, so you never touch or inhale them. The risk comes during manufacturing or when handling raw insulation. Tiny fibers can irritate skin, eyes, and lungs. That's why workers wear gloves, masks, and goggles. With proper protection, handling raw fiberglass is safe. Once cured, the product is stable and inert. The key is context. Raw fibers need respect. Finished products are worry-free. Fiberglass's safety profile changes with its form. Enjoy its benefits at home, just let the pros handle the raw stuff. It's a modern material that's safe when used right. In a world chasing the next big thing, fiberglass remains essential. It's affordable, versatile, and delivers outstanding performance for the price. Fiberglass can be soft insulation, rigid panels, woven cloth, or molded shapes, adapting to almost any need. While carbon fiber is stronger, it's far more expensive. Fiberglass is the practical choice for most uses. Its lightweight, corrosion resistance, and easy manufacturing keep it relevant. From boats and bathtubs to wind turbine blades, fiberglass is everywhere. Its economic advantage makes advanced products accessible to everyone. Born from an accident, forged in war, fiberglass is a quiet cornerstone of modern life. It's proof that revolutionary ideas can hide in plain sight. Fiberglass, the invisible material shaping our world.